Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the host and the VM image. Enable VTX or AMDV in BIOS so the hypervisor can use hardware acceleration. This matters for performance. Next, pick an OS image, ISO for installs or a cloud template to save time. Allocate CPU cores, RAM, and disk space based on workloads. Overcommitting can hurt other VMs. Once done, create the virtual disk and attach the ISO or image so you can boot the VM and begin installation immediately. You now install and configure the virtual machine itself. Boot from the attached image and complete the OS installer, choosing sensible user and time zone settings because they affect logging and automation. After installation, add guest tools or drivers to improve disk, graphics, and network performance. They also enable clean shutdown and clipboard sharing. Configure networking, NAT for simplicity, bridged for LAN visibility, or host-only for isolated testing, and set a static IP if the VM needs. You finish by securing, testing, and preparing for problems. Harden the VM, enable the firewall, use SSH keys, disable unused services, and apply updates to reduce attack surface. Take a snapshot or export the VM as a backup so you can roll back after risky changes. Test network and application functionality to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, especially with networking, check the virtual switch, guest adapter settings, and host firewall rules first. These are common failure points and quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.